And welcome back to the Tamarit Motorcycles channel. Today we have the rear fender elimination kit. If you're a fan of custom projects made of classic motorcycles, maybe the stock rear fender is the first part you want to remove. So that's what this part is for. You take out the rear fender and then you place this iron part using the same anchor points as the original part, okay? This part is made of iron, and actually the design has been improved over the years, because some complaints we had in the past was that this part over here bended too much and eventually could broke, but not anymore. With this part, we've set here this reinforcement, then this part is meant to last forever. It comes with the lights installation as well. You may find on the box all the instructions and some extra parts needed. And as you can see, there's some elements here about the lights. Here's the LED tail light, the reflector, and also, as you can see, it's included these little brackets that you may use for the turning lights or flashers. That's it if you own a Triumph Model Classic, maybe for 2000 and 2019. There's several of these parts designed for your bike, and that's it pretty much. If you have any doubt or question about this part or any other part of our catalog, please send us an email or contact through the forms you may find on the website. See you next time.